All right, so this is how to put the router bit into the router and set the depth. What size shank is that?
Quarter inch.
That's a 1/4 inch shank.
Quarter inch round over.
And that's a 1/4 inch round over. So it's just loosening up the nut. Set it in. So how far do you set that in? Or I guess it just depends on the end result.
About far in.
Okay, looks like it's about a 1/4 inch from being all the way down.
Take this tool.
Take both tools. You have to lock in the bottom nut, tighten up the top nut. Pretty snug.
Oh, right there.
Okay, let me see what that kind of looks like there.
That's where you just a little bit hide behind this plate. Eye level the plate.
All right, so he's going to test it.
There's that. Now I'll show you how it's when it's too far in.
So if you need to adjust it, you just move the fence. Do another cut.
That's too far in.
Okay. So that's, you see that's too far in.
So if it's too far in, you loosen this up. You look at the gauge right here, and you lightly move it up. So move up right here. Try it again.
That's what you're looking for. This is too much, and that is the finished product is what you're actually looking for. Alrighty. After I do that.